Hi everyone, I'm Megan Benoit and I am an online myofunctional therapist. I've started releasing videos about myofunctional therapy and how it can help people breathe better all over the world. We're in the middle of our myofunctional therapy basics series, and today we're going to be talking about another very common and important question for anybody who's looking at starting a myofunctional therapy program. People ask me all the time, how much does myofunctional therapy cost? And when they ask me that, I always have the same answer. And honestly, it really varies. So, depending on where you live or the experience of your myofunctional therapist, I would say on average, a session of therapy should cost between $100 and $250 per session. Sometimes working online with a therapist will be different than working in person with a therapist. And if you're working with a very experienced therapist who has a lot of years under their belt, you may even see prices upwards of $500 a session or even higher. The lower price therapy I've seen is more like $80 a session, but usually that's in a small town or a rural community. So the cost really does depend on where you live and the experience of your therapist. One thing to keep in mind is that most myofunctional therapists won't just offer one or two sessions at a time. They typically say you'll need to do a program or a package for therapy to really get the benefits. Myofunctional therapy is a process, so myofunctional issues can't be addressed in just one or two sessions. There's a lot of therapists out there like myself who recommend patients to go through a full program versus just one or two sessions to really get the best results that they need. I would say at minimum, you may need 6 sessions, but depending on your symptoms and the situation, you may need to do a lot more. One unique benefit of working with somebody like myself is that I offer a couple different options for patients to be able to afford care. You can work with myself as an experienced therapist. You can work with one of my associates that are really great. You could apply to work with a student through the Faceology and MyoMentors Matchmaker program. In that program, I mentor students who have finished their training program and are looking forward and excited to be seeing their very first patient on their own. This enables many people affordable options and flexibility with both payments and being able to commit to a therapy program. Another question I get asked a lot is about insurance coverage. Unfortunately, in many cases, myofunctional therapists are unable to directly bill insurance or are considered to be out of network. However, some practitioners, like myself, are willing to provide super bills to see if you can get any sort of reimbursement. Again, that depends on the therapist and the services they provide. Medical insurance can be really tough to deal with, and that's why some practitioners like myself offer payment plans, discounts for full payments of programs, family plans, or other options like I previously mentioned above. I hope this clarifies some of your questions about the cost of myofunctional therapy. And honestly, the best thing you can do is to find a therapist that you like and that you connect with and see how you guys can make it work to work together. As always, thank you for watching. Give it a like, add a comment, ask any questions, subscribe, and share to your friends. We'll see you guys next time.